particularly their extracts, have been used to treat asthma and diabetes for centuries. These greens are chock full of essential vitamins and nutrients that make life a little more manageable for diabetics. For one, the extract can improve insulin production, distribution of glucose, effectively stabilize blood sugar level in diabetics, and because mango leaves are rich in pectin, vitamin C, and fiber, they can also lower bad cholesterol. Plus, mango leaves can reduce those annoying day-to-day symptoms of diabetes, such as the frequency of urination at night, unexplained weight loss, and blurry vision. Say goodbye to confusing supplement. Let's see the remedy. Clean the mango leaves with purified water. Simply boil 10 to 15 fresh leaves in water, strain it, leave them there overnight. In the morning, drink the mango leaves tea before breakfast. Incorporate this daily ritual for 2 or 3 months and pretty soon you'll be on your way to a long